a lot of people in that video where I'm talking about, I wouldn't want to, I'll think twice about dealing with a Jamaican girl. It's got nothing to do with the girl. It's the family. I'm worried about the family. Yeah, a lot of people, they were upset with me with that video. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I really don't care. I know what I'm saying is right. It's not every fucking family. Yeah, there are good. There ain't no drug dealing going on in my house. This is my mom's house I'm talking about. So there are good Jamaican families in that, yeah. But there's a lot that they're not evil people. But what I'm saying is, I don't want them. I don't want. Listen, I am a 32-year-old man, and I won't hang around with no one that smokes weed. Why the fuck am I gonna send my child to someone who is under the influence of drugs? Let alone there might be drug dealing. When I say drug dealing, I don't mean a fucking operation. This is not American Gangster where the women are naked because they don't want them putting things up in themselves and concealing and teething drugs. I don't mean that sort of drug deal. I don't mean that sort of operation, but I don't even want no wheeling and dealing happening. I don't want no one knocking at the door for 5 minutes. Yeah, look, 20 back. Oh, yo, can you tick me? Can you tick me? Fuck that bullshit. Fuck that bullshit. I don't want my child around that nonsense. And if my child ain't going to be subjected to people smoking weed, if my child is not going to be subjected to people doing a little bit of wheeling and dealing at the house, then more than likely they're going to be subjected to the victim mentality. Find me a black person, find me a Jamaican that don't smoke weed, that don't deal in drugs, and don't have a victim mentality. I don't think it's possible, apart from yours truly. I don't think so. I don't think so. If you're Jamaican, no disrespect, you burn weed, you deal weed, or you have a victim mentality. Yeah? No disrespect. But yo, this is an observation. Yeah? This is an observation. I said already, I'm a proud Jamaican. I wouldn't want to be from anywhere else. Little did you know, I'm actually a quarter Antiguan. Yeah? So in the Caribbean, we have a lot of islands, yeah? We got Jamaica and we got them little other small islands. One of my grandparents, them, is from Antigua. I don't even tell people Antigua. I'm Jamaican. My mum is half Antiguan, half Jamaican. She don't even tell people she's Antiguan. She's Jamaican, yeah? I'm a proud Jamaican. I even had the flag up on one of my doors for the longest time. I took it down because I was doing some work on that door, so I just took it down and then it got ripped. So once I moved to my new house, I will have another Jamaican flag up. I'm a proud Jamaican. But my Jamaican people that are born in this country, we need to pattern up. We need to pattern up.